Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this channel. Today I want to talk about a great new decentralized exchange which is called Hashflow. Hashflow is a DEX decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. The best feature of the Hashflow exchange is low gas fee compared to other decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. Hashflow represents a powerful DeFi trading experience. Other features of the Hashflow are tight spreads, zero slippage, and MEV resistant. Hashflow is a DeFi protocol developed by an Indian team, and in the last year, 2021, it has been able to successfully pass its experimental phases one by one. Hashflow DEX is still under development. This is Varun Kumar, the young smart CEO and founder of Hashflow. Hashflow Decentralized Exchange is currently active in the spot trading section and plans to add option and futures trading sections to its platform in the future. The Hashflow exchange and its token HFT will be launched in the Q1 of 2022, probably late January. Sponsors and investors of the Hashflow project are Alameda Research, Galaxy Digital, Dragonfly Capital, GSR, Electric Capital, and so on. The main goal of Hashflow DEX is to create a suitable platform for market makers who can use their capital optimally and with the least additional cost to make a profit. In Hashflow, unlike the other exchanges, the high cost of Ethereum network gas fee is not a problem for market makers to change their strategies, and it does not charge them extra cost. Hashflow pricing mechanism. When Hashflow exchange user submits an order, market maker offers a price to the user and commits to the offered price at a time period 20 seconds. So the user has 20 seconds from the time he sees the price until he confirms the order and decides whether this price offered by market maker is acceptable to him or not. If the user agrees, Hashflow makes it possible to swap two tokens with the least amount of gas required. Hashflow pricing mechanisms are off-chain, which means that market makers align their prices with the market and offer you one of the best prices at the moment. Hashflow public pools. The capital available at Hashflow exchange was initially provided by market makers. But after the public pools are fully operational, Hashflow users can also participate in providing liquidity for the exchange. In this case, market maker uses the capital available in the pools and offers traders a price quote, and they ultimately send the profit to the users who have been provided this liquidity. To work with Hashflow Decentralized Exchange. After entering the official website of Hashflow Exchange, click on the Start Trading button on the top of the page. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange. Click on the search bar to see the trading tokens. For example, you can choose Ethereum, ETH, and USDT. Enter the amount of ETH you want to swap with USDT. There is a box in the middle of the page which contains a price comparison. The price that Hashflow offers and the price of other DEXs, Uniswap, B3, SushiSwap, will be displayed for you, and then you have 20 seconds to accept the Hashflow price code. If you don't accept the price, it will be updated right after 20 seconds and a new price will be offered again. On the price comparison box, you will be shown the Hashflow fee, which is very low. The price slippage is also zero. In Hashflow exchange, you can also convert different stablecoins to each other at a very low cost. For example, with the lowest amount of commission and with the lowest network fee, you can swap DAI with USDT and vice versa. Hashflow DEX is still under development, and so far it has added the following tokens to its platform: Ethereum, Matic, Shiba, USDC, USDT, WBTC, and DAI. In addition to the Ethereum network, Hashflow also plans to add Polygon, Arbitrum, and the Avalanche network to its platform in the near future. Hashflow airdrop. In various phases of the Hashflow project, Hashflow has awarded its early users who have tested the DEX and traded on Hashflow. This reward airdrop was in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The private alpha and open alpha phases are now over, and the open beta phase continues until the end of January 2022. On the open alpha phase, more than 17,000 of active users and pioneers of Hashflow DEX enjoyed airdrop reward. In the current phase, which is likely to last until to the end of the January 2022, Hashflow will reward its users with a valuable airdrop as well. Anyone who can become one of the platform's top 5,000 users will receive this airdrop. In this phase, daily points are considered for trading on the exchange, and volume and number of transactions are important, as well as points being active on social media related to the Hashflow. For example, to be active on Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. So finally, all the users who have earned the highest total points during this phase and become the top 5,000 will be awarded as NFTs airdrop. Hashflow users are called Hashgang. This is what everybody called them on social media, and some of the cute photos and infographics on this video is created by Hashgang. This table shows the value of Hashflow NFTs distributed among the users and HFT value per token. For example, the NFT called Hashbot Genesis, which is given to the users of Alpha Private Phase, is worth 64,000 HFT tokens. And the Hashbot Halloween poster, which was awarded to the top active users on the Open Alpha phase, is worth nearly 100,000 HFT tokens. Hashflow NFTs. Hashflow NFTs are in various shapes and have different values. They are currently being traded on the OpenSea NFT marketplace on the official Hashflow page, and these NFTs have been awarded to active traders and users during various phases of the project and events. Another utility for Hashflow NFTs is that they can be used for staking at the Hashflow public pools and receiving profits for weekly trading on the platform. In this picture, you can see a list of Hashflow NFTs at a glance. Here is a Hashbot Genesis NFT with a value worth of 54,000 HFT tokens. This is Hashbot 1 cover with a value worth of 2,583 HFT tokens. Hashbot Diwali posters worth 250,000 HFT tokens. I put the links for Hashflow DEX here for you, and you can search more about Hashflow and Hashgang by yourself if you're interested in this new great Ethereum DEX. Thank you for joining me. I hope you liked this video and see you soon.